Hello again, it's Priscilla Batzell in Spring Hill, Florida at Expressionist Art Studio Gallery, and this is evidently part 3. I better start my timer or I won't know how much time. So, I like this fine after part 2, but it seemed to me that there were some flaws that I needed to cover up, and what I really want to do is add some trees. And I'm going to try and use this bottle tip that goes with 2-ounce size bottles, and I'm just going to make the outline of everything and then hopefully go back and fill in. And I doubt whether I can do all of this in the amount of time I've got, but if I start, you can see what I'm doing. Like so. Like so. And I'll just keep going. I don't actually mind the skinny little lines. They're kind of cute. I like them. It's really the first time I've done anything significant with this tool, but it's not any different than drawing, and I've always been somebody who drew. Kind of figured once I got my major trees in there, all of them, then I would do what I'm doing now, which is probably something I should be doing after. But I figure I might as well get one in, because that might be all you ever see. I do want to fill in and see what it looks like. I thought about trying to put them in a different way, with a small scoop or something, but it seemed like it would just be too much paint. And you never know, I might just decide to leave the sticks and branches the way they are, because it's kind of a neat effect. I like it. And I wanted them to go almost all the way, a third of the way across, like to right here. I'm afraid if I try and do too many at once, I'm going to have a problem with sticking my hand into my work, which has always been a lifelong problem. Just sort of leading one to the next. I might try it anyway. I don't think it matters too much how many lines you put in, because trees are full of twigs. So every time I put a little new little angle on, that's a place that I can attach another branch. And I could obviously go back later and spend some time filling in. I'm not even really trying to pick up the tip of this. And I'm not too worried about leaves. I don't think there's going to be any leaves. I don't think there will be any leaves. But I might want to go back and fill in some of my trunk area so it covers up and leaves a black design over the top of the colors at the horizon line. I'm using the Meeden black paint, which has a tiny amount of water and is mixed with my regular pouring recipe in the squeeze bottle. Squeeze bottles come from like the dollar store. And this 2-ounce size tip fits on anything, or lots and lots of things. Do I dare try and put one in the middle? I had like 5 or 6, or maybe 7. And I can't imagine this is going to happen in the amount of time that I have. But it still looks pretty cool. And there's nothing to keep me from thinking that I can use some of my other tricks, like the paintball end of a skewer to fill in the trunk if I want to. Or go through and fatten up my branches a little bit. Kind of like that idea, actually. The paintballs on the ends of skewers are good for all kinds of things. Yeah, that works. But the paint dries very quickly because it's such a little skinny line. So unless you're planning on adding more paint, you might want to get to it, which is something I just learned right now. Get to it. See, I don't think I can do much over here anymore. Yeah, it's a lot more gloppy. Oh, I still got some happening. I could also dip my paintball skewer into some black paint, but I don't know if I want to take that chance right now. And any big blobs will wind up being birds' nests. So I'm going to put in one more tree and tell you guys while I do that I have 19 lists of 100 videos, and the rest, and they are also separated into topic and genre. And if you're looking for those playlists, you want to go to all playlists, created playlists on my YouTube channel, and you should be able to find them there. And if you can't find them there, just ask me, because I have them all the links saved. They're very well organized, and it's very easy to give you any information that you might want to have. So I'm going to do it and see if my newly sussed out information will help me fill in that trunk a little faster, or anything. Like right now. Maybe even enhance the one next to it. There's not enough paint in there to drag any of the branches out very far. But as soon as I have a little bit of paint left on my skewer, that's when I can use it to fix something else. And I love the lacy effect of the branches. I'm not sure how long I can go without cleaning the tip out, because sometimes this kind of thing tends to clog. But so far it's great. Might want to just clean off the buildup of goo as you go along. The glop, I call it. And as one tree interferes with the next, you can just keep adding branches that cross over each other, making more of a lacy effect as you go along. So that's not too bad, and I think I should tell you what else. That I have Teespring Clothing underneath the video, which is a place where if you can't find what you're looking for, you can always ask me to add whatever you've seen of mine there. For that, you just require the hashtag and the file number from the video title. And from that point on, then I will try and add it. There's all over print leggings and all over print t-shirts there. and lots of other cool stuff worth seeing. And that's the less expensive version. If you want to check out the high-end fashion, I just added to my link. To my Linktree link. My Linktree is the first blue link under the video. I think I probably said that in the other two videos. Le Gallerist is from Montreal. And they have beautiful dresses and scarves and kimono tops. I want some more interesting things going on in there. I could work on this probably, another hour. So I'm not going to make you suffer through that. I'll just take a picture when I'm done. And I think I'll probably have at least 2 more trees, so that'll be 5. And so for now, this is Priscilla Batzell in Spring Hill, Florida at Expressionist Studio Gallery going, I could do this upside down. Sure I could. Why not? Might even be easier. I wonder if you could see anything while my head was in the way. I'm going to have to check that out. This may not ever be a scene video. You can't tell. So, you can see it now. I'm so sorry. That's a vast possibility in my mind right now. I love you guys. Take care of each other. Take care of yourselves. Check out the end screen video for the monthly drawing and the prizes and the exhibition of that particular month's just previously month finished. I can't talk. It's whatever's current or was current the previous month. I'm using a slightly painted tip and thinking that I could probably get away with merging some of these little more heavier, intenser little blob areas. It's all new to me. I love you guys. Take care of each other. Take care of yourselves. Know that my email address is below the link tree. The link tree is under the video. I think I might have said that. My Amazon link is on the link tree. If you shop there, it's at no cost to you, and it helps me out. Oh, those look pretty good. Let's just zoom right in there. Cool. Thank you for joining me. I hope to see you again sometime. I post every day, late morning or early afternoon, and not, Friday, Saturday, and Sunday nights at 10 p.m. also. My 2 books are on the Amazon link on the link tree, along with my website, Pinterest, Instagram, Twitter links, and everything I mentioned in the last video, in case you heard that. I give lessons at the house in Spring Hill, Florida, and you can use my email address to contact me. If you have questions, ask me. I'll get back to you. My community board has tomorrow's video posted on it. That's on my YouTube channel. Expressionist Art Studio Gallery Appreciation Group is a Facebook group for students, and that's a good place to look for tomorrow's video also. I love you guys. Thank you for all the wonderful comments that keep my morale boosted. And thank you for the donations that have helped keep me painting all this time. I love you guys much. I hope to see you anon. Take care of each other. Take care of yourselves. Bye for now. Priscilla out. This will look a little different when you see it again. I'm going to give it another half hour or so. Bye. I love you. See ya.